How to design a Shopify website design tutorial in 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be discussing about Shopify and how you can use all of its great designing and editorial aspects to design yourself one of the best and greatest looking websites that you have ever seen. So it's going to be really fun and it's going to be a really easy tutorial, so please do make sure to watch this video till the end to fully learn how to utilize the design structure of Shopify till the end. So without further ado, let's just get straight into it. Now, to start things off, obviously what we're going to do is, obviously once you're here on shopify.com, here we're going to be signing up. So here it's going to say enter your email address, etc. Okay, now in this case I'm going to be using a temp mail for myself. Okay, so we're going to make an account using a temp mail, or I'm going to make an account using a temp mail. You don't necessarily need to follow this step, but if you want to, please do go ahead. I'm only doing this because of the video purposes, so here we go. Now there we go, we've entered our temp mail. Now once you do that, you're going to click on start free trial. So here it says, let's get you started. Which of these best describes you? Will help you get set up based on your business needs. So you could go with, any of these. I'm going to go with I'm just starting and click on next. So where would you like to sell? Obviously, just go with whatever you're making. I'm going to go with an online store. What do you plan to sell first? I'm going to go with these two options. Click on next. And once you do that, obviously from there on out is going to be the whole sign up bit where it's going to ask you to, choose a password for yourself and everything. So yeah, you're going to continue with email. Again, you can continue with your Google if you want to, but I'm going to continue with email. Then obviously set up a strong, lengthy password that goes with the Shopify, guidelines. Once you do that, you're going to click on create Shopify ID. Now, once you've done that, obviously, as you can see, it takes you through the whole loading process. And and then you're just going to wait for it to, fully load you in, fully load you up. And here you can see generating credentials, etc., building your store. Let's wait for it to do all of that for us. And here we are. Now, what's going to happen from here is that you're going to head straight into Shopify's main dashboard. Okay, and in Shopify's main dashboard, you're going to see tons and tons of different, features and editorial aspects to work with. Now, here you are on Shopify. Okay, so here down here you can see your trial just started. Your trial ends on June the 19th, so it's a 3 to 4 day trial, which is pretty good to so you can test out the whole thing and see if this is really for you. Now, this is your main Shopify dashboard. Okay, so this is, as you can see, a lot is going on over here, obviously. And to get into the designing bit, you're gonna go on the left hand side over here. You can see these things: home, orders, products, customers, etc. Now, home is basically, your basic homepage, your dashboard. Orders is, the orders that you've gotten if you run an online store. Okay. Then you have products, obviously for your products. You have customers, you can use that for your customer engagement, content, analytics, marketing. They're all as they say. Okay. Now, obviously we're here to design ourselves a good online store, so let's skip all of this and get into that. So to design a store, what you're going to do is obviously you're going to come down here in sales channel where it says online store, and you're going to click on it. And once you click on it, first of all, before getting into the detailed designing, let's discuss about themes. Okay, so first off, you have all these themes as so you can have our current theme that has been set is the dawn theme. Okay, this is going to be your default theme. Okay, this is going to be the theme that they're already going to set for you, because obviously they won't start you off from like total blankness. So as you can see, this is the dawn theme, and they've already made like a custom thing for you, and it looks pretty nice, doesn't it? So this is basically the themes for Shopify are not like proper pre-made themes or pre-built themes. The themes for Shopify are just basic layouts. To add the art in them, you're gonna have to do things yourself, which I'm gonna get into. So first of all, let's go ahead and choose a nice theme. So to choose a nice theme, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here where it says theme library, and you're going to click on add theme. You're going to click on visit theme store. Now, once you click on visit theme store, obviously it's going to load things up. So themes, shopify.com/login. So here you are, Shopify themes built for commerce. Now, here you can see tons and tons of different themes down here. Obviously, some are free, some are not. Some themes can cost you up to $320 depending on all their functionality and stuff. Some are $350. So obviously you're going to make sure to choose whichever works best for you. You can also you're going to click on view all themes. And if you only want the free ones, just, filter it over here and you're going to get all the free ones. Now, from the free ones, in my opinion, the best would be the refresh theme if you're running an online store. But the Dawn theme, if you want to just work with this, as you can see, you can also see their like features. So you can get the stock counter, mega menu, sticky header, etc. So let's say let's choose the refresh theme. So you're going to go on a theme you want to select and you're going to click on try a theme. Now, once you click on try a theme, obviously, as you can see, it says adding refresh to your online store themes. And here we are. So it brings us back to our Shopify dashboard. Now, here we are in our Shopify dashboard. Now, a theme has been added into your store, but it's not activated. So obviously, to make the theme come to your main page, you're going to have to basically activate it. And to activate it, you're going to click on publish, okay? Because right now, this is your activated theme. So obviously, first of all, let's go ahead and start customizing it. So to customize the theme, this is basically your main designing aspect. So here, as you can see, you have my store opened up. So welcome to your store, etc., etc. You have my store, home, catalog, contact. So this is your basic store layout. Now, to start things off, first of all, here's your left-hand side where, you can get main things. So first of all, you get the header, and in the header, you have this announcement bar. And in the announcement bar, you have all these things. So first of all, you can change the text. Okay, so let's talk about changing. So to change the text, you're going to open this announcement bar, click on this text prompt over here. And here, you can, as it says, welcome to our store, you can, change this to sale on all orders above, let's say, $60. Okay, so, you can keep that as your announcement bar. And moving on, you have your main header. Now, in your main header, you have all these things going on. Okay, so first of all, you can mess around with the background of your main header. So here's your background. You can choose if you want to add an image, or there could be a basic color scheme. So you can make it, blue like your top, or you can make it totally white. I'd like to just keep it at a dark scheme right now because it looks just much better. Then you have these navigations which you can set, okay, but these are obviously the navigation menus which you need to set from your dashboard. These won't really necessarily come in your designing aspects. Now, more in depth when it comes to your designing is your theme settings. So in your theme settings is where you're going to do mostly of your designing. Okay, now in your theme settings you get tons and tons of options. So first of all, there's the logos and everything, where you can set different logos for your favicons or main logo for your website. Then you have colors, the main color scheme for your whole website. Typography, which is your font settings. Okay, you can choose different fonts, and then as it keeps going on, it'll make more sense to you. So animations for different transitions and animations. You have buttons, which are these buttons as you can see in front of yourself, etc. Now, you can also add different images. So let's say there's this guy in the mountains with a blue shirt on. You can change that image. You don't necessarily need to keep that. So you're just going to click on this, and you're going to come here where it says slide, and you're going to click on image. You're going to click on upload image, and then just upload any image that you want to. So let's say I'm going to go with this image, okay? Let's say I have a clothing store and I want to, put up a product that is from my store. So I'm going to, upload a picture of that product. I'm going to click on done. And as you can see, it adds the photo. Now, as you can see, it's stretched it out and added the full photo. So if you want to edit this, just click on edit, okay, as so. And once you click on edit, you can keep a focal point. And once you do that, you can click on save. And then obviously moving on to edit this, you can choose the overlay opacity and everything, and you can position this photo accordingly to however you want it to. So yeah, pretty basic and pretty easy stuff. Crop this photo down if you want to, but yeah, so you get the point. That's how you're gonna, do all the theme settings and everything, and it's pretty easy and basic stuff. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed it, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. But yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing all of you next time. Goodbye.